Today we are in McLean, Virginia, checking out a brand new home built by local builder Seekis Homes. This home features 7 bedrooms, including a first level suite as well as a loft area, 7.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, as well as a stunning kitchen. The property has about 6,273 finished square feet on 4 levels and sits on a 1/4 acre lot with privacy trees in the back. You're also in a convenient neighborhood next to Tyson's Corner, Arlington, and a short drive to DC. The asking price for this one is $2.7 million. And with that being said, let's start the tour. And if you have any questions or would like to set up a showing, just reach out to me below.
All right, let's get this tour started. And it's nice to be out of that cold weather. So as soon as we walk in, we got this nice light fixture here. And then we got the little table on the left. So let me turn you around so you can see the entrance. And we've toured a few homes by this builder on the channel. So they do a lot around Vienna, McLean, Falls Church, Northern Virginia areas. So off to our right, this would be the office, the study, but it could also be the first level bedroom. We have full bath here. So we got the shower, the bench, the tile going all the way up. And let me give you a good look at this bedroom office. So we got space for shelves on the left. This is all staging furniture, but gives you a good idea. And we got our closet here. So pretty convenient to have that first level bedroom office. And we'll make our way to the rest of the house. They got it nicely staged in here. Good lighting. It's kind of like a cloudy day, but it's pretty good natural light as well as the lights they put in. So this would be the formal dining room. Nice big light fixture here. And this is a pretty good size dining room, and you can see it opens up to the living room. Let me just walk you around here. And you also have a little bit of space, extra space right here, and then extra space on the side as well. All right, so let's check out the living room. And you got a very spacious living room here. Got the recessed lights, and it looks like there's a hookup for a fan if you wanted to, or another light fixture. And we got the gas fireplace here. A nice stone going all the way up. So you're in McLean and kind of close to Tyson's Corner, but it's nice that you have this privacy here with some of the trees. And we'll make our way towards the kitchen area. We got this breakfast area right here. And actually, let me just give you a view from this side as well so you can see how it kind of flows together. So plenty of windows, you got tall ceilings in here. And then you can see the main entrance as well. So we got our beverage coolers right here. Nice quartz countertop. And some more information on the builder. So it's always nice when the builder's been around for a little while. It's not their first project. Like I mentioned, they do a lot kind of in this area, so they know what they're doing. Always get a good home inspection, but it's nice to work with a reputable builder. Before we check out the kitchen, let me show you this screened-in porch. So we got the Trex flooring and kind of like the vaulted ceilings here. It looks like space for maybe a TV hookup right there. And obviously right now it'd be a little cold to be outside, so it is more of like a 3-season room, but very nicely done. And you can see you got a 1/4 of an acre lot, so they put up some privacy trees there. You could probably put up some more if you wanted to, like how the neighbors have them right there. And then it is fenced in on both sides. So this would be nice, you know, put some furniture out here. Movie night in the summer. Don't have to worry about mosquitoes. And then we also have this area as well, maybe more for like grilling out and that kind of thing. Let's head back inside. Oh, and we also have a door right there leading directly out to the deck. All right, so check out this kitchen. We got the chef's kitchen, as they call it. But looks like we have the KitchenAid appliances here. So we got the high-end appliance package. We got the custom cabinets, Subway tile backsplash here. And we have some space for seating right here. Check out this stove. Got the dishwasher. We got the massive sink. It does bother me when you see these houses that are super nice and then they have like a tiny little sink in the kitchen. So that's not a problem at this house. And we got some extra space down here. And the beautiful quartz countertops all around. So this house feels very cozy, not in a small way, but it just feels like somebody could move right in. It doesn't feel like one of these crazy modern houses that are almost like sterile. This has a very like warm feel to it. We got the pantry, decent size pantry here. And I believe these are the oak floors. Have to double check on that. So this would be the mudroom. We got plenty of space in here. Got all these hooks and cubbies and whatnot. This would be the coat closet. Check out the garage. So we got a 2-car garage, plus you have the driveway, plus the street parking is pretty easy. There's not too many cars that come by this street, so in terms of traffic and whatnot, it's pretty good. But you're still like just right off of the main roads and like super close to Arlington, Tyson's Corner, everything like that. So this would be the powder room. Pretty good size powder room here. And that pretty much covers the first floor. So we still have 3 other levels in this house. This house has a super cool loft area as well as the basement and then the primary suite level. So tell me what you're thinking so far about the property. And of course, if you have any questions or if you want to set up a showing for this one or any other homes around Northern Virginia, DC, just reach out to me below and I would love to assist you. So here's the landing. And as we come up, we have two different closets here. Pretty good closet space. And then right off of the main hallway, we have the laundry room. So good sized laundry room, nothing crazy, but not too small, not too big. I think it's just a good size for this house. And we have 4 bedrooms on this level with the carpet in each bedroom. Actually, the primary has the wood flooring, but all the other bedrooms have this nice carpet here. Closet. And you can see this neighborhood, you have a lot of newer homes. You also have some of the older houses, but you know, you're in McLean, so one of the best school districts, one of the most popular parts of Northern Virginia. So you get a lot of high-end homes like this one. We got the tub. Nice shower here. We got the gray tiles. So this would be bedroom number 2. Pretty good sized space in here. Sometimes they try to sneak in an extra bedroom and make it pretty small, but this is very spacious. Oh, we have an actual car coming down the road. All right, so we got the shower in this one. The first one we had the tub. Got the nice tile. Let's check out this closet. So, similar closet. And then this would be bedroom number 3. So it looks like it's a little bit smaller, but perfectly good size for a 3rd or 4th bedroom. A similar closet here. Got the tub on this one. And you can see across the street, you got another newer construction. And I'm sure like over the next 5 to 10 years, this neighborhood is gonna have even more. I mean, there is a ton of development happening around here. All right, so let's check out the primary suite. You can see we got the wood flooring going into the primary. They got it nicely staged to give you an idea of how it could be set up. Let me get over here so you can see the full room. And you have a lot of space on both sides of the bed. So for furniture or whatever you needed. And we have the 2 closets, 2 pretty spacious closets in here. Show you the full closet. So you can fight over who gets which closet. I think they're pretty comparable. And let's take a look at this bathroom. Everything in this house is like a little bit more spacious than most houses, it feels like to me. So, get the freestanding tub. The trees in the background. And then we got 2 sinks, shower. Just open some of these up. Got the water closet over there. Let me just open this shower up. So we got the glass doors, the tile all around, going all the way up. Couple different faucets here. And then we got the shower bench as well. Not bad at all. Just back up a little bit so you can see full bathroom. And we still got the loft to check out, and then we'll check out the basement too. You got the double doors here. All right, I love a good loft space. All right, so if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Tell me what you think so far, what you like, if there's anything you dislike, your thoughts. And of course, if you have any questions about this house, if you want to set up a showing, just reach out to me below. So we got this little hallway closet up here. Kind of have like this landing space. Not much to see there, just the HVAC. And we got our loft space. This is pretty cool. So you still have the tall ceilings up here. Get a good view of your, looking down at all your neighbors. And you can make this a bedroom. I mean, this would be a legal bedroom. You got the full bath. So it's kind of like a flexible type of space. Shower with the tub. So always nice to have that extra loft space. You could do whatever you want with it. Let's check out the closet as well. All right, so we'll check out the basement. Basement is super cool. Make our way back down. So also tell me where you're watching from. I'm always curious where people are watching these videos from. Before we head all the way down, let me just give you one more look at that kitchen. Very nice. I love the privacy with this house because even though you're not out in the middle of the country, it still feels kind of like quiet and relatively private. All right, here we go. Where to start? Well, we got the tall ceilings This basement, you do have the walkout. We'll take a quick walk out over there. And you have all of this space, which looks like you'd put a TV right there. Could entertain a little bit. So you have the carpet on this part, and then looks like the vinyl plank over here. This would be like the little entertainment area. That is a beverage cooler that they are reinstalling, it looks like. Little wet bar area. Oh, that's interesting. So as soon as you walk in, they have the vinyl and then it goes to carpet. So you don't get the carpet all dirty. So always nice to have that walkout basement so you're not too far underground. Just give you a quick glimpse here. Looks very clean and very nicely done. And then you got these privacy trees here. Just wipe my shoes off. So we got a couple more rooms in this basement. I like the way it's set up. Got a lot of different options. So they have this set up as the gym area. You kind of have that rubber flooring for weights or treadmill or the bike. And I like how they have this big mirror here. So if you're doing your bicep curls, you can make sure you're doing them right. Or if you got a nice pump going, you just take a picture in the mirror. It's funny now because some gyms actually have an area just to take a photo after you got a good pump. Shout out to DMV Iron. I actually have to check out their new location over in Falls Church. But they have an actual room dedicated just to taking photos with the lighting is good and everything like that. They're setting up their gym and they're like, okay, we need our treadmills, we need our weights, we need our photo booth. But I've seen a lot of gyms doing saunas now as well. Probably cold plunges too. So we got our closet. So this house has a bedroom on every single level. So you got the loft bedroom, you got the bedroom right off the main entrance, you got the basement bedroom, and of course you have the 4 bedrooms on the primary suite level on the second level. So we got full bath here, the tub, tile. And then this is just the utility closet, but you do have some decent space for storage here. All right, so let me know what you thought about this one and be sure to check out some other property tours on the channel.